don't drop songs, if you don't drop songs.
Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Dion back again with another video. I hope you guys are doing good from wherever you're watching from. So without further talking, let's just get into it. So today we're simply just going to be making a melodic kind of emotional kind of beat. So I have a guitar here, so I'm going to figure out some chords. As usual, I'm going to start with the bass notes. I kind of like that, but I'm just gonna switch these two. Yeah, I really kind of like that. So now I'm gonna create chords by simply adding notes on top of these bass notes to create triad chords. Yeah, I like that. So we're gonna move all the middle notes up an octave, just cause the guitars will sound better in this way. Then we're gonna manually strum them. Now, one of the keys to getting proper sounding guitar melody is actually playing with the velocity and actually adding more notes in the piano roll, just to make it sound a little bit more realistic and a little bit more vibey, you know, just other than not just having it simple and basic. So I ended up with this. And just to make it a little bit more realistic, I played with the velocity, and then I'm actually going to come here and I'm going to go to none. So I'm going to move every note a little bit off the grid just to make it a little bit more realistic. For now, I'm actually going to add a top line melody, and I'm going to use this guitar from Labs. Yeah, so next up I'm going to add a pad from Toxic by Hazard, and it's simply going to follow the chords. Yeah, I definitely love that, so I'm just going to do a little bit of mixing. On the pad I'm going to add an EQ just to cut the lows and the highs. On the Labs top piano I'm going to add a chorus and a EQ, of course. Then I'm going to add this violet supermassive just to make it a little bit more ambient. And for the guitar I'm simply going to add a parametric EQ, a chorus, and of course a reverb. Next up I'm also going to add another pad just for variation, and it's this Emily from Citrus. Simply plays the same chords. So now we're gonna start with the drums. All these sounds I'm gonna be using are from our Ckay kit I'm working on. So if you're new to the channel, just please hit that sub button and we can hit 1K, and then I'll be dropping these kit for free. So I'm gonna go with a typical afro pattern. So I'm gonna layer it with some other perks and rims just to create variation. I'm gonna add more percussion to it just to make it sound better. Yeah, I kind of like that, so I'm gonna add this conga kind of thing, and simply just gonna play here. This is gonna help with the bounce. Then I'm gonna add this, it's gonna play here. Add a 4-step kick. Then add a shaker, and this is one of my favorite shakers actually. It just never disappoints. So the drum sounds like this. Yeah, pretty vibey. So I actually have these sounds here, so I'm gonna use these sounds to create a roll kind of thing, just for the beat to transition a little bit better. Yeah, vibey. So next thing I'm gonna do is actually add the bass. So it sounds like this. But I think I'm gonna knock it down an octave with control down. So I actually made a second pattern for the bass, and it sounds like this. So I made a pretty easy arrangement as usual, and I actually just kept the top line melody just at the beginning, and for the guitar I actually duplicated it and then exported it out, and then I drop it down an octave just for variation. Yeah, and if you guys would love to have this FLP, within 2 weeks let's just get this video up to more than 60 likes, and then I'll drop the FLP for you guys free of charge. So other than that guys, please leave a like, comment and subscribe and all that good stuff. We're still trying to hit 1K, so hopefully we do it in this month or the next. So thank you very much for watching. Peace out, see you in the next one.
You don't drop songs if you don't.